I was compensated for this review. This is the rope lights, 10 meters, and they are color changing lights. So you just plug them in and you download an app. They have a remote. I'm going to set them up and show you what they look like. As you can see, I hung up the rope lights around my banister. So let me turn them on for you. We'll just press the on button. You can see what they look like. So we have some red and green for Christmas. You can also change this to be brighter or dimmer. Not sure if you can see that in the video, but it is adjustable, and you can also change the color. So you can see the color that way, or press this button. You can get multiple colors on here. These are super cute, super fun. You can also do a pattern if you press that button, and it will move like so. You can do the other pattern, so it'll switch. You can hit this button and it will switch to that. That's super fun. So lots of options on here. Even that one. You can do a rainbow. That's super pretty. Building blocks. So it goes all the way. That's really fun. There are just so many options on here. Super easy to use. You can also use an app, which I will show you. You can do a timer on here, a 30-minute timer or a 1-hour timer. You can also set your own music tunes, and you can do that through the app. It actually has included music in the app, so that's really fun. You can see the patterns that it will be, so the lights go along to the music, and there are some other options in here that are really fun. You can add your own if you want to, and then there are all of these options too. You can also connect multiple strands together. These are waterproof. You can use them outdoor or of course indoor. So you can take your pick, and this is a really durable material, this plastic tubing around here. So super fun. You can use them for parties, for receptions, of course, for all of the different holidays, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever you would like. So I hope this review helps.